I'm just gonna say it. Let me find out. It's Buns. This right here, it's Buns. Like, bro, I thought, you know, the C4, you know, it's gonna have like a little screen, and you'd see like a screen. You could tell like how long, like, oh, 30 seconds or like 10 seconds. But no, it's a reskin. You may be wondering, what is it a reskin of? You'll be like, how could this possibly even be a reskin? This looks nothing like it. Like, bro, what even is that? That's probably what I have to say. Please subscribe. If I get around 1,000 views on a video or short, apparently I can get the bronze creator hat. So you know, I'm trying to get it. If you could subscribe, that'd be very nice. A lot of people don't. Right? It's hard to get subscribers at the beginning, but the more later on you do, you know, YouTube, it's probably easier, I would assume. Since you know, more popularity, more subscribers, like. 10 subscribers is my goal, bro. If you don't want to subscribe, I understand, but still, you don't understand how hard it is for people to actually make content. I mean, like, to be honest, my videos are actually ass, bro. I would not be surprised if you didn't, you know, want to subscribe or just don't want to, but you know, it would support me, you know, like. It will probably also boost the popularity, which means more views, which means more subscribers, so like, it means a lot. But anyway, sorry for that part. But yeah, the message of this story is, the message of the story is, this is ours. Now, animal company's probably gonna get a little bit angry at that, because, you know, I'm deep in one of their products, but, it's ass. But right, animal company. Sorry about that. But yeah, you could have done a little bit more, but a reskin, by the way. Yeah, you could have done a little bit more, but hey, developing's hard. So, I mean, like, so it'd be a lot. You could have made it, you know, kind of unique. But I guess sometimes people just don't want to make things unique, right? If anybody's actually gonna watch this, it actually means the world to me if you know, subscribe. To be honest, I don't even know why you're still watching. Oh, my head is too big. Oh, my head's too big. Right, y'all have a good one. Apparently they're also getting ready to do